I just really love fall. I can't live without it. It gives me, you know, like this feeling that I can't describe. Hey guys, it's Vicky. Welcome back. Today I'm gonna be doing a little, not so little fall haul. As we all know, autumn season is the season to give all our money to the stores for all the fall decor and things that they have going on. At least it is for me. So yeah, I went to one of my favorite places to shop at in the world, Dollar Tree. I've been collecting a few things and that's what I want to share with you guys today. So hopefully this inspires you guys and gives you some ideas on how to decorate your home. So anyways, let's just stop with the rambling because I like to do that and get right into scents. So this year they brought something that I had not noticed in previous years, and that is these big old candles. Obviously they always have candles and they usually have pretty good quality ones, better than the 99-cent store, I think personally, because they have just a nice variety of scents and they are strong in the smell. Like, it's not a weak smell, most of the candles that they have, but they brought these big ones, which are almost as big as the Bath and Body Works. Not as big, but for $1 you're getting really good value. And they're by the brand Old Williamsburg candle, which I've bought the smaller versions of, and they are so nice. They had 3 scents: salted caramel, which I'm holding here, which smells like salted caramel. It's like a toffee kind of sweet smell, and it's just very nice. I think this is one of my favorites. They also had vanilla bourbon, which smells like vanilla, and I guess what you would consider bourbon alcohol. I don't know that this one's my top favorite, but it's still pretty good. I need to burn it a little bit more, see if I like it. It smells almost very manly-ish, a little bit musky. So if you're into that sort of thing, I recommend it. And if you're not, I mean, you can try it out. It's only $1. And then finally, my top favorite one, salted apple cinnamon, which smells like apples and cinnamon. Whoa. Just a very traditional scent to have in your home. It's one of my favorites, in addition to the pine scented candles. That's my second favorite, I would say, or maybe my first favorite. I don't know. I also like birthday cake, but that's not really, I'm getting totally off topic. Stay on topic, Vicky. I'm actually burning one of them in the background. It really fills up the room, so get these big old candles. They're totally worth it. And then, probably really random that I'm showing this, but I got some Glade spray. They have this cashmere woods, which I've seen sometimes throughout the year, but I thought cashmere woods was pretty perfect for the holiday right now. It smells like cashmere. It's woodsy. It smells kind of like a little bit of cologne. It's a little bit musky, not too much, and pretty robust. I don't know, I feel like this just adds more to the atmosphere. Adds more to the atmosphere of fall in my home. So I got it. Moving on to the next section of things that I bought, we've got pumpkins. Come on guys, everybody needs pumpkins. We all buy all the pumpkins, from our scents to our decor to what we wear. So yeah, I got more pumpkins. I already have some from the Dollar Tree, but this year I got some different ones that I had not noticed, or I don't know if they just didn't have them last year, but these ceramic ones. So I got 2 orange ceramic ones, which are very cute. There's one that's just all orange, and there's one that has orange and yellow hues to it, and they have the cute little stem and green leaf on them. And then I got this very cute green one. It's this kind of muted, not too bright green, and then it has a gold stem. I got these 2 gold ones, which now that I'm looking at them on here on the camera, they're really nice. Maybe these will look nice like in a basket or something. And then I got finally this burlap one, which I've seen a lot of folks online go crazy over these. I don't know if they've had them. I think they've had them in previous years, but these burlap ones seem to be really popular. I only got one. Who knows, maybe I'll go back and just buy all of them. Oh yeah, wait, no, just kidding. Those weren't all the pumpkins. I have more. I got pumpkin clips. I saw them and they looked very, very cute, very good quality. I mean, as good quality as you can get for Dollar Tree, but come on, it's only like 3 for $1. So you get 3 pumpkins in each little set. I got some red ones and I got some orange ones. And what I'm probably gonna do with these is clip them onto the garland that I have going on in the background over there. Up next, we have garlands and flowers and all those types of things. I already had some garland in my home from the Dollar Tree, but I had to get some more. So this year I want to decorate my room a little bit more, so I got this one. And they have all different types of colors. They have more on the yellow side, on the green side, but I got the burnt orange deep red ones, which goes with the theme that I have going on in my house. And yeah, for $1 you get 5 feet, which is really good. I know that they have them at places like Joann's and Michael's, but they're not very cheap there. And they look pretty real and good quality, so really happy with this purchase. The other thing that I got from there were flowers to make bouquets. I got these deep red mums. I already had some leaf ones from last year, but I didn't get any leaf ones this year, but I did get these flowers, these mums, which are deep dark burgundy red. I just think these would tie really nicely into the room, and I mixed them in with some cattails as well, which are very pretty. And cattails and, what are these called? Cattails and cattails. Round cattails and long cattails. And then last, for the flowers and things, I got these green leaves. Actually, no, I'm lying, so I did get leaves again more, but these are green, they're not orange. They're green with the tips a little bit red, and they have some berries and squash. Is this squash? It's a type of squash, I guess. Some squash on them, and the way I plan on using this is with a wreath I bought. This is a willow wreath. I know that I think they tend to carry this color year round, but it really stood out to me because usually they have the other ones, which are the tan ones, and they have lots of those. I don't always see these too much, but I thought this color is a lot more natural looking. It looks more rustic. So I'm gonna make a wreath with these two little things and the wreath. Does that make sense? The next set of things are ribbons. I went probably a little bit more overboard than I would have liked to for ribbons, but they had some really good selections that I couldn't pass off, including these plaid ribbon. It's a brown tan with red and gold, or sorry, orangish copper lines in it, and it's very pretty. I'll probably use this to tie it to one of the wreaths that I'll make, or to a sign or something, make a nice bow with these. I bought 2 of the plaid ones. I also got an orange ribbon with gold glitter pumpkins. Come on, it's glitter. It completely stood out to me. It would actually match this dress. Maybe I can make like a bow or something. Not really, but I wouldn't put it past me. The next, I actually have no idea how the heck I'm gonna use these, but it is these maple leaf ribbon kind of things. Even though I have no idea what the heck I'm gonna do with them, I got them because the detail on these is just so good. They're so cute. They had brown, which I didn't get, and then red and orange. And not much to say other than they're nice. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. And then finally, I got this orange ribbon with a gold Art Deco design on it. This will probably be used for my hair, I'm not gonna lie. I know, a little bit crazy, but I go crazy during the holidays, so maybe I'll use it to tie a nice bow to the back of like a bun or a ponytail, or with my hair down and, you know, like right there. I don't know, let's see how that goes. I'll let you guys know. Next, moving on to lighting. So as you guys can see, not too much Halloween stuff in the autumn stuff that I bought, but I did buy some string lights that are all tangled up right now. Some jack-o'-lantern string lights that are battery operated. They need AA batteries, and you get 3 feet of them. Let me see if I can light them up. I'm not too much into Halloween decor, like I said. I love Halloween and I love everything about it, but when it just comes to my home, personally, I like a more autumn evergreen style, if that makes sense. Just something that I can have like from September through Thanksgiving. So yeah, I got these though. I liked them a lot. They're still pumpkins. I could still use these through Thanksgiving. So I think I'll probably either hang these somewhere in my restroom or in my kitchen. And I got 2. And then the next thing in the lighting department are these 120-hour yellow LED flame lights that come with batteries already. I mean, you guys have seen the tea lights at Dollar Tree if you're familiar with the store. I think most of you guys are. But these are bigger than the tea lights, and I think these look a lot better in like lanterns, which is what I'm gonna use them for. I just got some IKEA lanterns, so I'm gonna put these in there. Or they would also be great for some jack-o'-lanterns, some pumpkins. You get 2 of them, and each one lasts 120 hours. So yeah. I don't know why I just did that. I'm not going anywhere. Finally, the next section of things are random kind of things. Well, this is actually not random. This is a sign, and everybody loves their good old autumn signs with nice, wholesome quotes on them. I got this one. I already have a lot. My home is not too big, but I couldn't resist getting another one. This one says, "Bless our home," and it has the wood kind of background with some pumpkins on there. It looks, again, very rustic. And then the other thing, oh, sorry, Ozzy. Ozzy's right next to me. I'm throwing pumpkins on him and wreaths and everything. Sorry, baby. Then the next thing that I got are these frames, which are not necessarily autumn specific, but with all the decor and everything that they had going out, they really stood out, especially because of the gold copper frame that they have going on. But yeah, so the way I'm gonna use these is print out some autumn pictures and put them in there, or maybe like some white and black pictures of my husband and I, but yeah, we'll see about that. And then last but not least, I have something that I bought last year, but I wanted to mention it this year because I saw it again in the stores and I almost bought it again, and it's these owl salt and pepper shakers. And it's just a public service announcement, really, that if you see these, get these because they are so freaking cute, and I seriously almost bought them again. They have some pumpkin ones too, which I almost also bought, but I already have so many pumpkin things going on. I was like, yeah, these are just good enough to balance things out. Although you can really never have too many pumpkins, so maybe I'll go back for them. And yeah, that is all that I have, my friends. Thank you guys for stopping by. I really hope you guys liked this video. I love doing hauls, so let me know if you like it. I would love to do more for you, and if you do, I'll keep doing them. Yeah. Ah, Vicky. I know I like watching these types of videos because sometimes I'll go to the Dollar Tree and I won't really pay attention to something, or I just won't see it because I'm not looking for it. And then I see videos and I'm like, oh shoot, like I should have gotten that. That totally makes sense. I would love to have that in my home. So yeah, anyways, as always, thank you guys for stopping by. It really means a lot to have you on here. Sending you guys all a really, really big virtual hug, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. If this video gets 50 likes, I will publicly go out like this and take pictures and post them. That standard's so low, but sadly enough, my channel's so small, I probably won't. That's sad and funny at the same time.